Misty's, and we're about to have lunch, hopefully. I mean, let's hope they're open. And of course, here are the girls. Miss Epic Tours herself, yes. And of course, behind the camera, me. Sanitize again. Yeah.
Just showing you how they came here and took over the place because they are the only guests here. Look at dancing over there, take over there, selfie over there, like. Who agrees with this? You see all the phone addicts. Bob, I'm really loving how the table settings are. It's really nice. And the rum bottle.
People who love to eat are always the best. Of course, which is right. So I don't understand why I can't get the top chair. It tastes well, you know. I regret it well. For mommy, you know, food up.
I really appetizing. I taste good. Just him.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the food.
You can carry everything.
Carry everything.
Just carry everything. One time. I remember say you have something.
Thank you.
See, I want pictures, please.
This is so nice. We definitely have to find this.
Thank you.
Oh, this is cutie
So is this a trip we're planning?
Oh yes, it's a trip we're planning. This is a trip we're planning. This is a trip we're planning. Oh, wow. Thank you. I can do a salad that. Ooh, that looks so cute.
Take a picture.
This really good one.
The fries not already?
Yes, them fries perfect. Nice. This salad is really good. No, man, make it one word.
Yes, please. Thank you. This is really good. What? Salad?
Yeah, and the dressing is good too.
So far. I'm going to taste the chicken. I'm going to drop this guy.
Right? That was amazing. God alone.
Your turn, Kendall. Your turn, April.
Jehovah. This work with money? Very much so, April. Hallelujah.
So this is how we get the bill.
Hallelujah.
April said that they're very what? Social.
Socials.